Manipurda Pangthokliba violence asi yelhomi maitaiga yelhomi nataba lona yadana changsilakiba kuki singagi maraktani violence asi chin kuki narco terrorist singna haurakibani haina malem pumbana sak khangnarabi child climate activist Licypriya Kangujamna Dubai-da Pangthokliba United Nations Climate Conference 2023 COP28 Fifth Session da phongdokkhrei Conference asige manung chana Licypriya na tongan ba laiba kaya ge luchingba singasu unaduna climate change na malem da pirak liba awaba chaiteng kaya asidagi kokhananaba wafam kaya hongdokki haidi mahakna hai yelhobina taba kuki singna maitei singe yum kaya mai thadok pikre maitei kaya hatkre maitei nupi kaya rape tawkre haujiksu kuki na phakraba manghan khiba angang kaya ama thiba khangdana leidi kuki singna manipur gi chingmai kaya da umang kokthokuna popi thabadagi isingi chau chahi khudingi thoktuna tampak ta awaba mayokna hali chingdana desert ole haina su phongdokki.
I belong to a small indigenous tribal group of India, of northeastern India, called the Meitei bordering Myanmar. You see, my birthplace Manipur is surrounded by lush green mountains and alluring atmosphere. But unfortunately, our indigenous lands and rights are grabbed by land mafias and non-indigenous people in my state, Manipur. The latest example is the ongoing communal violence in Manipur between indigenous Meitei us and non-indigenous Kuki people. This ongoing violence in Manipur is fueled by our politicians, and the innocent people are paying the price of it. You see, massive deforestation is carried out currently by those illegal cookies in Manipur to plant poppy drug plants. Not just destroying the lives of those innocent people by drugs, it also caused the worst climate crisis in Manipur. And you can see most of the rich biodiversity hotspots in Manipur are becoming climate hotspots now. People living in the valley do not even have the drinking water to buy due to severe droughts as a result of massive deforestation in the hills. Most of our crops are washed away by severe flash floods every single year. 75% of our rivers and lakes are now dry and dead. Lush and green mountains are becoming deserts now, and many girl children are out to school to fetch water from a very long distance. So this is real climate emergency in Manipur.